Okay, put the main out. Let the main sheet right off. Lock it, try and get some speed.
Dig over.
Lock the main right across. Come on, let her go.
Seconds to prep down.
Wing here. Put the Juno over the other side. Put it out. Pull the Juno over, George.
Seconds.
Okay. You're ready to trim in.
Main. Go stay on your stern. Don't fall below him.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Wait on the low side.
Bring the main in. Bring the main right in. Put the main traveler up to the side of the boat.
Class 2 flag up.
Go down some more, Ross.
Okay, I'm gonna go down then.
Seconds.
Am I going to make the mark or should we tack?
I don't know, let's get some speed first. I want to trim in on the low side.
Yeah, walking over.
Andrew. Stay for a bit.
Get ready to tack, you guys.
9,
Ready to
8,
tack?
7, 6,
No, George, you stay
five,
there. Keep trimming, keep
4,
advising. I can't see the mark anymore.
2, 1.
Very close to it.
Okay, let's tack.
Huh?
Yep. Ready about. Main travel right to the other side. Okay, wheel. Nice tack. Nice tack. Very nice tack. Sweet, sweet. Okay, see if we can get the main clear of the backstay.
30 seconds for prep up.
There we go. There we go. Let's make it one way.
I do see a piece of wood in the water, but I don't think we're going to go near it.
Okay. Ready?
Okay, go. Gonna release?
Okay.
Okay.
So go. See the piece of wood.
I need more time.
You're giving too much. You're giving away too much.
Not in this one.
Yes.
Okay, round we go.
What? What's that? Oh.
No, I'm just watching no clue. Or not double vision.
Ease the main a little bit. 135. So you keep both on the way.
Perfect. Well done, Skipper.
135.
135?
Yeah, just about there. Down the roll side, Barb.
Sorry?
Roll side.
I was just checking the stand. It's okay.
Are you on course?
Yes.
135?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
We're on
30
course.
seconds.
It's going to be very close anyway because the wind was within 10 degrees.
Well, we're at 5, so it might.
But I don't know. I mean, this could be another reach.
From
It's like
3,
we're hitting a hole.
from 7 to 3 is predicted
There we
directly
go.
downwind, but from here it's not directly downwind.
It's 5. Where's the committee book?
Yeah, bring both wheels over.
Another reach. It's another reach. Traveler all the way down.
But
Right.
you're a little too high here, Ross. Don't go. You can't go below the committee boat because we're not that high. We're going to mark number 3, not 0. So 3 is a little bit lower than,
So it
than
should
0.
be-
Somebody take the helm. Just hold our course.
Okay, come down there.
GPS got turned.
Main out.
Hang on. Are you on the committee boat first? No, steer your course. I think the main's the wrong way.
What do you want the,
Pull that out.
I want them the other way around. Because the
Let's
wind's a
try
bit
this.
from that side, so you need the main on this side.
It's loose here, but it won't go out.
Turn it. Tough retraining a spinnaker guy, you know.
This is your committee boat. Come in.
Did you hear that course change thing that came over the air?
We just changed the course. You are now heading to Mark 2.
You can't do that to me. I'm almost at Mark 3.
After your round 3, you're going to 620.
So, if we're dead down, okay? Take her down.
take her down?
Watch the main, watch the main, it's driving.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You got the pole?
Yeah, I
I'm
got
gonna go around to the main. Okay.
it. You got it?
Yep. We're gonna be tightening up pretty soon. Okay.
Pull it in, shove it down.
Okay.
Don't worry about collapsing it, George, just pull it in.
Okay.
Shove it down to the cabin, I want to turn.
I got the other end.
Turn the main, turn the main.
Basin racers, basin racers, basin racers. This is your race committee. We have lost our wind. We are now below 2 knots. We are going to shorten this race. We will take the race committee boat down to 6 and finish you at 6. So you're going 3-6. Finish.
You're releasing? You're not released there.
There's a kink. Barb, there's a kink. Barb, clear the...
Yep.
Come on,
Yep.
come low. Low.
Let the traveler right out. The light winds, the traveler should go right out. And then loosen the sheet. That makes the
Okay,
main a
okay,
bit
just a bit, just a little bit, just very little.
That's good.
Yeah.
Like we're sliding down.
Okay, stay up there.
But I can't go in.
Yeah, yes, you can go up. Look, I'm by the jet. Look at the top. The top is not even bubbling yet. Go higher. You can shoot it from here. Come.
We're good.
A few more seconds
We're good.
in the bank.
Beautiful shot.
That way.
This way. Thank you.
Oh, it scared the bird. I didn't get my
That's,
camera, my little one.
Double vision, right on the stern.
Shit.
They were pinching, but going slow, real slow.
Yeah, that's what I said at the time. He does
Never-
that. I know he does that.
Lost the speed on it. And we're dragging this one.
Okay.
Good one, Ross.
Figure 8 in. Well, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was a great race.
Yeah, the boat was going well. It had good speed.
Yeah.
Everything was slack.
Now, what's our protocol for getting back?
Well, we can talk. Give a little rest.